Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2008 Kubota RTV900 UTV side-by-side. This unit I've owned for just at a year. We bought it here for around our place. We have several of them. I have a 500 also that belonged to us for about 8-9 months. I actually come across an RTV 1100 with cab heat air. Then I'm going to sell both of these units and use one here that has cab heat and air. We use them every day. They're a very good buggy. Four-wheel drive, hydrostatic drive. So this unit a year ago had 940 hours. There's 1,035 on it now. We know the unit. It is in very good shape. Before we sold it, actually 2 Saturdays ago, my oldest son and I, we did a full service, all filters. And I say all, transmission, engine oil, fuel, everything has been changed. Air filter. There was 2 bad mud flaps that had cracks in them. We replaced those with OEM Kubotas. Front differential was checked. Drive shafts, everything is good. When I bought it, the seat was torn on the driver's side, has a small spot. That is a brand new OEM Kubota seat in it. This was not a unit that was in the rust or salt, I should say. It's not rusty. Kubota camouflage roof, Kubota OEM windshield. Bed liners in it, the Rhino liner. I'm going to start it real quick, put the bed up so that you can see the underneath here at the engine compartment. So, hydraulic dump. Again, at 1,034 hours, we did a complete and full service. Engine oil, hydrostatic filters, air, fuel, everything is done. We do run Kubota's brand of Super UDT in the transmissions of these. Hydraulic dump, as you can see, power steering. That is powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. They're an excellent unit, very good running and working engine. They're in a lot of power of equipment. You'll see a lot of them with 4,000 or 5,000 hours in them. Engine oil, we run Rotella 15W40 T4. And you can see underneath, this unit has not been in the salt. It's not rusted up. Let me go ahead. That is a power up, power down bed. Bed's in good shape. Tailgate is in good shape. Everything works. It's not dented or smashed. It does have the spray bed liner in it. Receiver hitch. Tires on the unit are in excellent shape. I say about 85%. All were matched. They are the right tread pattern and the right size. The rear tire will be a hair wider than the fronts on these. Grill guard. Underneath, it's going to be your tower underneath here for all your shifting linkage, brake reservoir, and that's about it. There's nothing real special underneath these. The hood and everything is in very nice shape that way. Again, floorboards are good, and we did put the updated fuel cap on actually just on, actually this morning we just put it on. The old fuel cap started to leak. It's typical of these, and that is the updated fuel cap, so it's been changed. I'll show you in here in the dash. Twin cup holders. This one does have the speedometer. 1,035 hours temp. It's full of fuel. Headlights, 4-wheel drive. Locking differential is down here. 2 cup holders. Has a horn. Underneath here is going to be your cooling system. And power steering reservoir. I'm going to fire this unit up. We're running around here all through its ranges so you can see that everything works. Here we go. explain, you can see how when I let off the throttle, it almost will slide the tires. You have to be careful. That's how they're made. These have a dynamic braking in the transmission, which is great because it's a hydrostatic drive. So what's nice about these units, when you're working like we do with them, we might run around here to grab something and you jump off and you don't always set your parking brake. But the nice thing with the Kubota is it comes to a stop. It's because it's a hydrostatic tranny. Where I don't prefer, and I don't like the units that are belt drive like a Gator or Polaris, because that belt drive, as soon as you pull into somewhere, you got to set your brake or that unit could keep rolling. Or coming down off what you see, I'm surrounded by mountains here. And you go over here on the mountain ground that I have and you come down off the Kubota, you just let off the throttle and it holds back. Where those other units, the clutch disconnects and they freewheel, and that's what I hate about those units. These are a true work vehicle. If you're looking for something to go 50 mile an hour, don't buy one of these. If you want something to work on the farm, something that actually has a real hydraulic dump, not an electric actuator, has real power steering, not electric, has a real rear end in it with leaf springs, this is a real utility vehicle. These things are proven tough. They're a very good machine. Can't hardly get one right now. There is a couple of the little plastic piece here. There's a little crack here. I think there's a little crack on the other side. Doesn't affect anything. But again, I know this unit. It is a very good machine. Come run it. Look at it yourself. I have nothing to hide. I did have 2 cracked tail lenses. I put complete brand new Kubota light assemblies on. They were cheaper to go that way. And it actually come with new wiring harness and put them on. So that's all done and works. But if you've got any questions, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marketsupplyco.com. This will come with 2 keys and is ready to work. So again, you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Market Supply Company.